sa Doy TV at De Enrica YouTube channel. At katatapos lang po no ng friendly match, no, send-off friendly match between Gilas Pilipinas at ito pong Taiwan Mustangs, no. At nakita naman po natin sa Taiwan, yan po yung pinangunahan ng dating PBA player na si Alex Cabagnot, no. At of course, si Gilas naman po yung pinangunahan ng ating naturalized player na si Justin Brownlee, no. At of course, Kai Soto, Dwight Ramos, no, CJ Perez, at ito po si Chris Newsome, ang finals, PBA finals, tawag dito, na naglaban, no. At very inspired, no. Of course, ito po si Junmar Pajardo, no, at ang magbabalik Gilas na si Chapet Aguilar. Ayan, at iba pa, no. At of course, that was headed by Coach Tim Con. So, yan pong nangyari, no. Nananalo po sila, di ba? Nahabol sila, pero kita nyo naman, sila pa rin nananalo. So, that is the glimpse of what they can do, no. Diyan po sa magaganap na Olympic qualifying tournament, no. Diyan po sa may Latvia, no. At makakalaban nila, talaga pong tinaguri ang mga powerhouses din, no. Na yun na nga po, Latvia on July 3 at July 4 naman is Georgia. So mga hindi po pangkaraniwang mga kupunan yan, no. Subalit tayo po confident, no. Tayo po ang Asian champions, no, sa katatapos na Asian Games, no. Tayo po ang naging gold medalist dyan. At we're going to bring that pride, no. Going for the Mission Paris, di ba? Malupet, Mission Paris po tayo. Well, wala naman po imposible dyan. Kayang-kaya po ng Gilas yan, no. Of course, napatunayan na yan ni Coach Tim Con, napaka-veteranong coach, at of course, ng kanyang mga inspired Gilas players at tayo, no, as supporters ng Gilas Pilipinas. Ano man ang mangyari dyan, well, it's just a game, di ba? So, ano pong diskarte ni Coach Tim Con dyan? Well, i-discuss po natin. So nakita niyo naman po, sinabi ko kanina, it's a glimpse of what the Gilas can do in that tournament is, as you notice, Junmar Pajardo, he is licensed to shoot anywhere he wants. Pinakitaan po tayo niya ng 3-point shot. Well, why not, di ba? Alam niyo po, kwento ko po mabilisan, no? Meron po tayong tinapik dito nung habang sinusubaybayan po natin yung Gilas Pilipinas, no? Meron mo tayo dyan topic kung saan isa po sa mga secret weapons na maaaring gamitin dyan ni Coach Tim Con is yung pagtira sa labas ni Junmar Pajardo, no? Something that will surprise their opponents, right? Because, why? Is because he is not known for his 3-point shots. He is not known for his outside shots. He is known for his inside offense and defense, right? So, panggulat in a sense that Junmar Pajardo can shoot outside. So definitely he can bring his guard going outside, and our number 1, 2, and 3 guys will able to operate inside through cut or straight attack to the basket, no. So yun po yung mga bagay na possible na mangyari dyan, no. At yun nga, as I said earlier, they're very inspired, di ba? Lalo na kung si Chris Newsome. Nakita nyo naman po yung mga jumper kanina ni Chris Newsome, di ba? May mga pumapasok, may mga nagmimintis ang mahalaga. They are, composed, no? I mean, they are confident to take those shots, lalo na kung ang play is nakadesign sa kanila. At proven naman po na kahit pasabihin natin matagal na yan, luma na yung triangle offense na yan, well, it can still be work, no? Why not? Anyway, yun nga po, ang nangyari pong tune-up games kanina, no, between Taiwan Mustangs, hindi lamang po yun, no. Yan po yung kanilang send-off match lang, po. At pagpapakitang kilas, no, sa ating mga fans na nandyan, no. At sila rin po yung magkakaroon ng mga tune-up games, no, friendly games, dyan po sa may, aalis po sila sa 25, sa 27, makakalaban nila yung tawag dito. Nabanggit po dyan yung Poland, no? Tsaka meron pa po isang bansa, Turkey, ayan. So yan po kanilang mga makaka-tune up games. Well, mahalaga po yung mga ganyang klase ng tune up games para po maihanda, no, ating mga manlalaro, no, para po sa matinding bakbakan. Latvia, sino po bang mga nasa Latvia? Di natin alam kung maglalaro dyan. Ito mo si Kristaps Porzingis, di ba? Ang NBA champion from, munti ko na sabihin, Dallas Mavericks. Boston Celtics, no? So, those are the things na ating aabangan dyan. At I said earlier, they're powerhouse. And we are also powerhouse, no? Hindi tayo basta-basta. Tayo po ang Asian Games gold medalist, no? Yan po ang ating tatandaan. Kaya wag po tayo manliliit. Meron po tayong Kai Soto na 7'3". Meron po tayong almost 7-footer na Junmar Fajardo. At meron po tayong napaka-veterano na Japet Aguilar, stand 6'9", no? So, yan po ang ating naitampok sa channel na ito, no? We'll support the Gilas at for sure, we have a possible result on that upcoming Olympic qualifying tournament there in Latvia. And yan lang po muna guys, at magkikita tayo sa mga susunod pang mga palabas dito sa Doy TV Sports at Dayan Liga YouTube channel. Muli, maraming salamat at magandang araw po sa inyong lahat.
Salamat po sa panonood. Subscribe na para sa mga susunod na basketball at boxing videos.